Let me be honest with you. There are too many YouTubers in Nigeria creating unnecessary panic. I mean, every time you watch their video about documents for YouTube monetization, you get to hear, go and get this, go and get that. Without this document, you cannot be monetized. But listen, most of the things you've been told are not even required. So if you are confused about the exact documents you really need to monetize your channel as a Nigerian, this video will save you a lot of stress. Now, let's break it down step by step. Hi, I'm Imole Ayo, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, I talk about how to edit your YouTube videos and how to grow your YouTube channel. If that's something you're interested in, maybe to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime an amazing video like this one drops. Now, let's get started. The first document you need as a Nigerian to monetize your channel is a valid ID. And here are the types of ID Google accepts: your national ID card, your international passport, your driver's license, and your voter's card. These are enough for identity verification. And you don't even need all of them. You just need one of these valid mode of identification. Now, the second document you need is your tax form, and it is called the W8BN form. As a Nigerian, you only need this W8BN form, nothing else. This is the tax form for non-US citizens. And you can find how to fill this in your Google AdSense dashboard. All it takes is just you filling your name, your address, your postal code, and that's it. And you get to tick some boxes. And it is important to note that as a Nigerian YouTube creator, you do not even need the Nigerian thing. The Nigerian thing you get from FIRS, you don't need it. It is not important. If you have it, it's fine, yeah. But it is not important. It is very optional. You don't need to add it in your W8BN form. You don't need to add your Nigerian tax identification number, and your W8BN form will still be accepted by Google. So anybody that's telling you to run and get your thing is misinforming you, especially when it comes to YouTube monetization. They are misinforming you. You don't need it. It is optional. If you have it, it's good, but it is not necessary. It is not important. You don't need it to fill your tax form or YouTube monetization. All you need for this W8BN form is your legal name, your date of birth, your Nigerian address, and your digital signature. That's all you need. It's very easy and it's very simple. I made a video on how to apply for monetization earlier, and I spoke about this W8BN form. Like I said in that video, this guy on YouTube, Eluzonat, most of you know him as Tech Informant. He made a detailed tutorial on how to fill in this W8BN form. So for this, you don't need any special documents. You don't even need your Nigerian tax number. You don't need it. That's all you need for your tax information. Fill in your name correctly. Any name you're using from the start on your Google AdSense profile, any name you use in your W8BN form, and whatever thing that you feel pertaining Google AdSense, that should be the name you should use throughout. You should always only use your exact legal name, because if YouTube sees that there are discrepancies in your name, your AdSense setup might not be successful. So you need to be very careful. And then with the issue of address verification, now there's an option for online verification. There's now a new way for Google to verify that you are human. And the old way was Google will send a pin to your address, your mailing address, to confirm if you are human. But now there's a new identity verification. That one is also very easy. You don't even need to do anything. After scanning your valid ID card, be it whatever ID card you want to use, your driver's license, like I mentioned earlier, your international passport, your voter's card, your national ID card, either of this card, then you'll be required to do a video online verification. It's very easy. It is just you showing up live on a camera, and the robot will tell you what to do. Maybe move your head sideways, look up, look down, and all that. So this is just what you need for your online verification, nothing more. Lastly, the third document you will need is to go to your bank to open a domiciliary account as a Nigerian. You need to open a domiciliary account in dollars in order to receive your YouTube earnings. And with this, all you need to do is open a domiciliary account with any bank of your choice. It is not stressful. Just walk into any bank of your choice, maybe your current bank that you're using. Just go there and tell them you need a domiciliary account. They'll just give you the requirements. There's no big deal in this thing. Sincerely, the panic I got as a new YouTuber about monetization is not even worth it at all. You just see someone make a video and be like, oh, this is what you need. If you don't have this, you'll not get monetized. It is so funny. After applying for my monetization and setting up my Google AdSense account, I was just like, what's this? I mean, I don't even want to start mentioning anybody's name, yeah. But the only person whose video was actually very helpful for me on this journey, helpful, transparent, and worth my time, was this tech informant. He was so transparent. I mean, he made a playlist on YouTube monetization. So that's all you actually need as a Nigerian or even a non-US citizen to monetize your channel, you need your valid ID, any of these valid IDs. You need your W8BEN form and you need your domiciliary account just to get your payments. That's all. Don't panic. Don't be confused. That's all you need. If anybody's telling you to do any other thing, I don't know where they got it from. Just follow the steps I shared and you'll be fine. So to fill your W8BEN form, I would recommend that you watch this guy's video. I'm going to drop his link again in my description box below. It should be there. All you need to do is watch that video. It showed how to, fill the form step by step, what to click and not to click. Trust me, the video is very detailed. That was what I want to fill my own. And as well, I made this video about how to apply for YouTube monetization. It is a step by step guide. Kindly watch this one as well. It's very helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, kindly like it, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime an amazing video like this one drops. See you in the next one. Until then, bye.